proper mentoring with family of beautiful family of this camp has really ensured that she talks about all the shlokas. Hanuman Chalis was one of the delights in our house. A lot of bhajans we
Good
get to
afternoon,
listen
everyone.
and
The last 10 days, my son has thoroughly enjoyed spending time 10 to 1 in the morning. And it was actually a wonderful experience having all the kids, so many kids from Raja, outside Raja, coming to your place and spending their time. I think the summer camp has helped them, start their vacation really on a great way. And in fact, we were wondering, why it was just for 2 weeks. The kids have enjoyed it so much that, I rather expected you can extend it for another 2 weeks. Or maybe you can start again
Hello.
sometime in May.
Hello. Who is he? He's my father.
Who is a father?
Everyone has a father and mother.
Then where is my father?
Your father is the king. He lives in that big palace. My father is the soldier. He works over there.
I am Dhruva. I am the king's son. Please may I meet him?
Okay, send them in.
So you're my father. I did not see you for so many years.
Oh, Dhruva, come, my son. Please sit down.
No, you should not touch him. After all, you are just a villager. You go to that village. If you want to go over there,
Oh, Dhruva, you have come so early from school. Come, come. What happened? What's the matter? What happened? What's the matter? Why are you crying? You see, mother, my friend told me that my father's the king. Then I went to the palace to see him. But Suruchi pushed me and said only Uttama can sit on the king's lap. I want to sit on his lap. I want to tell you a secret. Your father is just the ruler of this country. But there is someone who's the father of the whole universe. It's Lord Vishnu himself. Really, mother? Are you telling the truth? Narayana. Stop, little boy. Where do you think you're going? This is the forest, not a place for little boys to play in. Besides, it's almost dark, and soon wild animals will come. Don't you feel scared? No, oh, Narad Rishi. It is such a surprise to meet you now. You see, I came to know that my father's the king of this kingdom. So I went there to meet him. But Suruchi said only Uttama can sit on the king's lap. Narayana, Narayana. But then my mother told me that if I pray to Lord Vishnu, I can sit on his lap instead. So I've come here to do it. Narayana, Narayana. I understand. So you want to sit on the lap of Lord Vishnu. But it is not an easy task at all. You've got to be bold and brave. Are you sure you're ready to do this? I'm ready to do it, Guru Maharaj. Narayana, Narayana. Okay then, listen to my advice. First go to the Madhuvana forest where the Yamuna river flows. There, you sit on the banks of the river and meditate. You have to say this mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo
Oh my
Bhagavate
Lord, what's happening on earth? We can't even breathe. We're suffocating. All the devas can't breathe. What's happening on earth? We are getting suffocated.
Om Namo
Don't worry, Devendra. I will help you. A young boy named Dhruv is in deep meditation. I will go immediately and fulfill his Wake up, Dhruva. It is me. I have come to you.
Oh my lord, you have come at last.
What do you want, Dhruva? Tell me.
Oh my lord, I do not want anything. I've realized how foolish I have been for a small wish.
But I will grant you a wish. You will live for 26,000 years and you will be the pole star which is seen in the sky at all points from the earth.
Thank you, my lord. This is truly a great boon.
We have learned lots of morals from this story and we would like to share them with you.
Narayana, Narayana. By chanting the Lord's name, you will get the God's darshan.
If you worship the Lord, He will take care of all of you.
Don't be jealous and over ambitious.
There should be no favorites.
Have faith in God. He'll give you all you want.
You do not have to be very old to start your meditation. You can start it at the young age itself. Thank you.